Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of birds chirping, surrounded by nature, in a stunning A-frame tiny home. Today, we're taking you inside a beautifully designed retreat that perfectly blends luxury with the charm of minimalist living. Step inside, and you'll be welcomed by a warm and inviting living space. The high, vaulted ceilings with exposed wooden beams create an open and airy feel, while the soft, neutral tones add a touch of elegance. A cozy fireplace sits at the heart of the room, perfect for chilly evenings, while large windows let in an abundance of natural light, offering breathtaking views of the outdoors. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find a seamless mix of modern and rustic design. The open shelves, farmhouse sink, and stylish pendant lights enhance the charm, while the spacious countertops and state-of-the-art appliances make it as functional as it is beautiful. Whether you're enjoying a quiet morning coffee or preparing a home-cooked meal, this space is designed for comfort and convenience. The bedroom is nothing short of a dream. A plush king-size bed, layered with soft linens and textured pillows, sits against a stunning accent wall. Warm lighting and natural wood elements create a peaceful, relaxing atmosphere, making this the perfect escape after a long day. And just imagine waking up to those gorgeous outdoor views through the large windows, softly draped with elegant curtains. And then, there's the outdoor space. This A-frame tiny home takes relaxation to another level with a covered patio featuring a private hot tub, a cozy seating area, and even an outdoor fireplace. Whether you're unwinding with a book, watching the sunset, or enjoying a quiet night under the stars, this space offers the perfect retreat. Tiny homes like this prove that luxury isn't about size. It's about smart design, comfort, and making the most of every space. Would you love to stay in a home like this? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible tiny home inspirations.